So now this should be hot by now. Oh, hi!
Hi.
Oh my gosh.
What a good video.
Yeah. Okay. I need a knife. I use this sharp knife. I'm just gonna cut up this. I'll cut up this. Watch out! Don't burn yourself.
I'm an expert.
Okay, we'll just chop up the mushroom. I'm gonna throw it all in there. Watch.
Ooh.
Oh, it's good when it goes sizzle like that. So we'll keep the garlic out for a minute. I like this. See? And then
good.
we'll,
It smells good.
yeah, we'll put some salt and pepper and season it with, what else do you like to season it with?
I think salt and pepper is good.
Okay, I also have, there is also some thyme or whatever.
Just salt and pepper.
Okay. That's done. So when this is, oh, you see, it goes really fast in this skillet. Because this skillet, they say to heat up your skillet for 5 minutes.
Wow.
Yeah, but I think I put it on heat that's too high.
Yeah.
So actually, we could probably even just turn it off.
Yeah.
And it's going to stay warm. And so these should still cook. Ooh, it's so sizzling.
Yeah.
So now, did you burn yourself?
No.
Okay, so now we'll put this in here. And we'll turn it on low so it can heat up. Do you like cheese? So now I'm just going to mix this into there.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I think this skillet is still too hot. Okay, so this is off. And so this will just turn that up a bit. Put this back. Okay, so you like cheese, right?
Yeah.
So while that's going, I'll grate some cheese. I can give her that. You like a whole bunch of cheese?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, that's good.
Okay.
I'm gonna end the video now.
Sure. Okay, bye.